What's up, y'all? What's going on? Good morning. Hey, look, I want to go over three stocks that I think that's hot. We should be trading, keeping our eyes on. Let's look at the entry levels and how far we can take them. Make sure you like and subscribe immediately, and let's get right into it. So our first one is Hood. We're going to check out Hood, find out some good price levels we should get into, and then rock out, rock out. So I can see that. Just jumping bullish. We're going to try to catch this bull trend. Looks like it's been flying. It's been flying. All right, so let's dazzle it up. Let's dazzle, relazzle. See, the daily's been pretty strong. The monthly look like is on Arnold Schwarzenegger mode. Arnold, I am not coming back. What do you say? I'll be back. This is not coming back. It's gone. It's gone. So how do we catch it? Let's check it out, baby. All right. All right. Okay. I think I see what's going on here. So if we look over the last week, eh, 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 we got some levels down here that looks like it needs to be come touched. You know, you touch that thing one time, two times. It need to come touch it a little bit. We got a value system that formed right around here. So this would be ideal, an ideal area to start looking at for a nice picker-upper. For a picker-upper. All right, y'all, that's what I'm gonna say. Current price on Hood pre-market, 62.58. I think we're bullish. Okay. The best thing to do is either, here's two scenarios. Two scenarios. Either we're gonna buy it here under this box. It's gonna be a little scary. Ah, if we had to grade this from a 1 to 5 entry, this would be a 2. Maybe a 3. Maybe a 3. All right, because it is kind of bullish. I would give it a 3. But this is a little area I would look at to buy, possibly. Now, if I wanted the greatest entry ever, hold up, which price is that? That price is $54.80. That's the first target we're going to look at. Okay. Now, if I really, really feel confident in this buy, then I'll wait for it to hit this line somewhere. Somewhere it will hit this line. Okay. I would just try to be patient enough for it to hit this line and we go buy it. And I would like it to come about right here, this red candle. So those are our two potential buy areas. We got 54.80 and we have $50. Right around $50. This is the IMG gap or fair value gap. So I would say 48.50. Okay. The trade will look like this. Bam. We use that low as a stop loss right below this low. And we would take it straight up to the moon, baby. Well, you can take it how high as you want. The first target will obviously be this high right here. Come on, don't be greedy. Let's get our money and get the heck out of here. And then we'll figure out what happens. But this is the best trade you're going to take. Okay, this is the one. This is the one. This is the one. This is a grade 4. Okay, it's a grade 4. Not grade 5. It's not the best ultimate trade because we got some gaps down here. So that's kind of scary too. But we want to catch this momentum. I like it right here at $48 and about 50 cents. We'll ride it up. So let's look at our next one. Let's check out SMCI. Now I did a little premature marking here because I was just so excited about this one. Uh, let's see here. Now this is a daily chart. As you can see, guys, this is what we'll be looking for. This is what we be looking for right here. I ain't lying. So we got our trend coming down. It's coming down. And then my golly, it breaks right through. Bam, right there. Right there. Now, if you looked at our previous video about how I prevent myself from taking losses, this is called the death line. We're going to call this the death line. Okay. If something is rejecting this line, it's dying. But if it becomes above, it becomes a lifeline. Okay. So we're going to call it a death line, lifeline. This is what it is. Now we have hit a major area. We came back to life, right? So after we cross the death line and resurrect ourselves, what we do is we get a discount. We don't want to just start buying because things is you haven't waken all the way up yet. You're still a little dizzy. You might fall back to sleep. So we want to wait till we wake all the way up. And that's usually a 62 to 70% discount. So let's draw these Fibonacci's from this bottom to this top and see how much of a discounted price can we get after it crossed the death line. Now, we're not going to pay attention to this yet because this didn't cross. Well, it kind of did right there. Let's look at it a little closer, right? See how it crossed right here. Let's use that one. That's even better. That's why it's good to zoom in and do this thing a couple times. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh, SMCI might be gone. Look at that. This is the area we want a discount. Okay. 62 to 70%. And my golly, the discount came and it should be gone. This should be gone. So now that we are bullish, we are on a lifeline. Let's use that same theory here. We're going to find our value on this 1 hour chart right quick. And we're going to see what we got. We're going to see what we got. I like this spot right here. We be trying to look for buys under the box. Just a little hint. Don't tell nobody else that. We try to buy under this box. Don't tell nobody else that, okay? Don't tell nobody. But okay, so we're under the box. We're at whatever this is. Okay, this is the Fibonacci we marked. The top of that Fibonacci. That's what that is. Okay. We don't need this anymore. By the way, we saw that it made its move, discounted. It should be going. So buys will come below here, which they look like they're starting. And you can also use a depth line here, but it's not one indicated. There's a lot going on here. This trend went all the way up, swiped down, and came. It was a little box here it tried to come to. But you don't have a good sustainable two lows to try to attach yourself to find. This is what I look for. I try to look for the lows. Same depth line. But I like to draw them from the corrections. That's in the previous video. I am bullish on it. So the only problem is where do we buy it? Okay. I kind of like, just start buying it. Who cares? It's going up. But if you want to be professional, you might want to just not let it break this red candle. Okay? Let's stay professional. Let's change this color. We might want to not let it break this. Okay? If we buying it, we wanted this to be kind of strong, and then we'll buy it. That's pretty much a good move right there. There's a lot of liquidity in this long line right here. It's like a knife. Somebody came down with a sword and just stabbed everything. So I don't know about this area, but I do like the box. All right, let me see here. I'm going to try to attempt. This is not even right, but I'm going to try. There's no low and high established. Once a new high gets established out of this, I'll be able to see what's going on. Feel me? Then I'll be knowing what's going on. You feel me? But has it no high, it can come back down a little bit. I don't know. So we'll wait. We can wait for this one. I specifically like this kind of move above the box, back to value, and then bow. That's the move I would like to see. That's how we know this was a real buy. Other than that, I would wait. I would set my alerts above this box around $41.15 and then watch this happen out. Watch this play out for you. Okay, that's SMCI. We are bullish, but it's a little more iffy on how we enter the market. All right, and let's go over the last one. Coin. Coin. Oh my God, it's so expensive. It's so crazy. Coin is so sporadic. I mean, it can go from $200 to $400 in a matter of hours. Look at these gaps. So let's use our def line over the last couple months. We're going to try to see if we can detect it, okay? Let's check it out. All right. So we're going to detect our downtrend right here. Here's the high, and here's another high right the heck next to it. Here's the low. See this low? High, low, high, low, high, low. Can you go? We're going to uh, attach those two. Remember, guys, what we looking for? A discount. You don't never go in the store and try to buy full price, do you? If you do, you're throwing money away. So we're gonna look for a discount. And we're gonna zoom into this area to see where price broke. Let's use our Fibonacci. We're gonna go to this candle right here where price broke. Wow. Did we get our discount yet? Uh, uh, eh. No. We want a 60 to 70% discount. It has not came. It almost came to 50%, which is half off. But a lot of times, if you get a 50% discount, it's coming back. That just happens a lot. I can't explain why. It's not my rules. It's just something I acknowledged. That if you get a 50% discount, 9 times out of 10, it'll come back to a deeper discount. So let's mark an area of coin interest. And I like this little red riding hood right here. That little red riding hood right there. This would be my entry for coin. I would wait for price to come back to 256.81. When price comes back there, we ride it out that way. And that is the wrong. We're supposed to have an arrow here. We ride it out that way. Okay. So coin, this looks like a beautiful entry. And this is a 4 hour chart. We should probably do a daily trend. But this is according to the 4 hour. We're going to use this. We can just use the bottom. Stick with the rules. Stick with the rules. That's how I like coin to go. So what I'll do is I'll look at the daily, draw this line on the right time frame, same concept. And let's see how the Fibonacci's look on the daily. Because, all right, let's see. Yeah, let's just check it out. We broke here. I'm gonna draw the fibs. Bow. Right here. Right. Look, still hasn't came down. Bang, bang, bang. We got room, people. We got room. And the daily IOC is this candle right here. That's what's actually catching these buys right now. So, I mean, it is a good little level, but we want to get a discount. And I'm a cheap guy. I like discounts. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like paying overprice for things. And we know we're under, oh, we didn't even look at value on 1 hour. We're just looking at the daily to see we should have some room to come back down. So we can't mess with these buys yet. Okay, we just can't. However, there is a possibility we can play against this market. There's a $20 difference between where we're trying to buy it at and where this market is. Okay, so what we need is another death line. And because we expect the price to come back down, we can take an entry near the death line. So we want to mark our highs and lows, and we'll see. Bow. All right, you see that? We're past the line here. So there's a lot going on. There's a gap up here that hasn't been filled. I usually like to aim for value if I'm playing against the trend. So your highs and lows are here. It's, like I told you, coin is very sporadic. This thing can come all the way back up here before going down. Just know that this is a more patient play. We want to buy it down there. But you can expect price to I wouldn't go against this price at the moment, current moment. It can even come back from liquidity. But I assume that price will come up here first. Okay. And then come all the way down where we want before going back up. That's my synopsis on coin. You look for a $300 limit to sell it, or you wait for it to come back and discount to buy it. Around 257. So guys, those are the way I see the three charts, and they're gonna make some money, man. They about to be volatile. These things is moving. Unemployment news drops at 8:30 a.m. today, Thursday. Let's get it. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. We're gonna be dropping these bombs and predicting this market. We're gonna beat the market. Let's get it.